Myself Harsh Tamboli. I am from 10 CBSE. My project name is Waterella. This project I have based on our only country, India, and in India, Maharashtra state. In our state, there are many villages. There the water is not provided up to 3 to 4 days, as well as for 13 to 15 days. There is one example for you all. That is in Raigad district. There is one village, Bodni. It is nearby Mandwa. In that village, the water is not provided 13 to 14 days. That's why they need to travel to the another village for the water. That one more example, we are using at our home, in our tanks, we are using underground water. That underground water we are giving to plants to make their food, as well as we are using that water to the agriculture need for farmers. That water is going low, and as well as we are using that water at home in our tanks. Now tank water wastage is the same problem. That's why this project is there. The instrument which I have used are buzzer, battery and wire. This is a tank. When the wires detect the water, the buzzer get burst. Means we will think that the water tank is getting full. Means we will save the underground water. We will save the life and we will save the crop. Means what happened? There is a correct thought on that. Save water, save life.